Apple's cheapest MacBook could be getting its biggest upgrade yet. The MacBook Neo 2 is already making headlines, and the latest leaks reveal a faster chip, more memory, and smarter features. But don't expect a brand new design because Apple may keep almost everything on the outside the same. Here's everything you need to know. The original MacBook Neo has been a huge success since its launch. Demand has stayed strong, and many buyers are still waiting to get one. Apple reportedly considers it one of its most successful MacBook launches, mainly because of its affordable price, starting at just $599 or $499 with the education discount. It quickly became the best value MacBook in the lineup. Buyers could also spend another $100 to get more storage and Touch ID, making it an even better deal. Now all eyes are on the MacBook Neo 2. And the biggest changes are expected to be inside rather than outside. According to the latest leaks, Apple is not planning a redesign. The overall look should stay the same. There are no signs of a larger display, no OLED screen, no promotion, no haptic trackpad, and no MagSafe charging. The current port setup is also expected to remain unchanged. If you were hoping for major hardware changes, this update may feel very familiar. The real upgrade is expected to be the processor. Apple will likely replace the A18 Pro chip with the newer A19 Pro. Just like before, it could use a slightly cut-down version of the chip instead of the full flagship model. Even so, users should still see better speed, improved graphics, and better power efficiency for everyday work, studying, browsing, and entertainment. Another major upgrade could be memory. The MacBook Neo 2 is expected to jump from 8 GB of RAM to 12 GB. That extra memory should make multitasking much smoother and help the laptop stay fast for years. It also opens the door for Apple's newest AI-powered features coming with future macOS updates. When it comes to the release date, the current expectation is spring 2027. Most reports point to a launch around March or April 2027, following roughly 1 year after the first model. Apple could delay it slightly, but right now, an early 2027 release looks like the most likely plan. Pricing is where things get interesting. Rumors suggest Apple may remove the entry-level model and only sell the higher storage version. If that happens, the starting price could increase to around $699, while students may still get it for about $599 with the education discount. However, if storage and memory costs fall before launch, Apple could still keep both versions available. That's everything we know so far about the MacBook Neo 2. It may not look different, but the faster A19 Pro chip, 12 GB of RAM, and support for Apple's newest AI features could make it a much stronger upgrade. Let us know if you'd buy the MacBook Neo 2 or keep using the current model. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.